Hey guys, I wanted to do an unboxing of the Epson 7820. So I bought the Workforce printer in hopes to do sublimation, and it also had the wider tray. But doing my research, I realized that this is not the best one for sublimation, so I plan to buy another printer. But since I have this one, I will go ahead and use it for my sticker printing jobs because we have a sticker company. It does have the wide format. It is also an all-in-one printer regardless. The quality for Epson, I hear, is amazing. I have had an Epson before, but you know, honestly my true goal was to do sublimation and other stuff. And then I read too where if you're gonna do sublimation printing, just keep one machine for that. And I really need this printer for wide prints, like the 11 by 17. So I thought I would just record the unboxing, me trying to set it up, half reading the instructions. Yeah, that was a lot. So what not to do. Please do not try to set it up without reading instructions. Reading instructions are very important. This Workforce is exactly what it's called. It's a Workforce. This is a huge heavy duty machine equipment. The quality is wonderful. I don't even think that I'm tapping the surface on what it can do. So I will continue to make different videos and explore with it. It was $260 from Quill. I use Quill because I'm trying to start that business account. You may be able to find it cheaper. I think I saw it for $199 somewhere. Anywho, just Google it and do some research. Otherwise, this is me unboxing the Workforce. She's a beast. I like it so far. Hopefully she will help me make money. So far my investment is $260. I haven't even ordered the first set of printer cartridges. So we will see. Yeah, we'll see how much it costs to keep her up and running. Real quick, let me give you some specs. She's a 4-in-1 Wi-Fi print copy scan. Right now on Epson.com, she's $249. The wide format printing can print up to 13 by 19 paper. So that is cool. Duplex, of course, two-sided print, copy scan, fax, 50 sheet ADF, state-of-the-art precision core, heat-free technology. It offers a variety of features for enhanced convenience and efficiency, including large 250 sheet paper capacity, 4.3 color touchscreen, simple. It does have a touchscreen, so that part is really good. Let me see. Yeah, so, I mean, all in all, of course she looks nice. It's a black on black with silver. This product only uses genuine Epson product cartridges. Yeah, I don't plan on using the re-image cartridges. I try to get the true ink in it. But anywho, here's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, and good luck. I hope this was useful to you and your business or your family. Thank you again. Take care. While the printer is recognizing the toner, I'll go ahead and clean up and save everything in case we have any problems. Booklet in a different language, paper, and then there's a CD. My computer don't even take CDs anymore. Oh, that's cool. Four minutes left. Hey guys, I used my old printer cord to go to my computer. I know I'm gonna do Wi-Fi, but it didn't come with one, and I just want to make sure I print out this one thing real quick. So here's how it looks. Still at 4 minutes. Also, guys, get a real stand because this is so weak. It shook the whole thing, so I might have to move it to something else. Installation complete. All right. Alright, now the screen is asking me a series of new questions, so I thought I would just share. It asked me if I wanted to set up the fax. I said no later. And now I am just going to run a print. Let me load it into my computer. Let's get started. Alright guys, I'm adding the Wi-Fi code so it can print. Also, my computer did not recognize this cord, so maybe it doesn't work. Complete. Let me try it for my computer too. Alright, while I'm waiting for the computer to connect, I did connect it to my cell phone. Alright, let's do a sample print from my phone. So I open up the tray. Just going to add regular paper. Alright. I'm going to choose print. Select printer. And that's the only one popped up. And then I'm just going to hit print. Preparing on here. Okay, this came out by itself. It's making a noise. I'm going to set it down so you guys can see. Oh wait, it's blurry. I'm going to be still. Load out, load paper and hit OK. We don't know how to load paper because we didn't read the instructions. Okay, how to. Click on that. Extended paper support. Pull this open. Pull it open from the back. Okay, I got that open from the back. And then put paper in. Crap. I'm going to grab one sheet of paper from there. Put this back. This was already, it came out on its own. Oh, got it. Okay. Go back here. Close. Okay. I hit okay. Oh, it's taking it, guys. See, look how the whole thing is shaking my little tray. So I gotta get a table. Holy cow. Let me stand still so you can see. She's big. Big, big. And real quick, she still says connecting. So I did the picture of the globe. So let's see. Okay. So it is face up. Man, guys, it's off the printer edges. She pretty. She pretty. All right, I'm gonna do a real good one now. All right, I finally restarted my computer. Got the printer working. It didn't take it. Damn it. All right, so at least that part came out. Now let me try it again. Just wasting ink. Got it.